How much cake do you need to earn $100 a day staking on Pancakeswap? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. This is the third video of our Pancakeswap series. In the first video, we explained to you exactly what Pancakeswap is, did my cake price prediction, and shared with you a couple of reasons why we're so bullish on Pancake. In the second video, I shared with you exactly step by step how to stake cake. In this video, I'll quickly review the two things we talked about, so why I'm bullish on Pancakeswap, and quickly show you how to stake cake. And then this video is going to focus on how much money you can expect to earn. So I'll talk about different investments you can make and how much reward you can expect to get, and answer the question of how much cake you need and what the cake price needs to be to earn about $100 a day staking Pancake. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Pancakeswap is one of our favorite tokens in the Rockstar Trading Group. We've been trading it since less than $1. You can go watch the previous videos from around earlier this year. I personally got in cake just over $1. In the YouTube video, guys, I share with you exactly which coins we're looking to buy and sell. There's one coin I'm going to make a video about it tomorrow, is BitTorrent. BitTorrent is breaking out. In the YouTube videos, I share exactly which coins are breaking out, what levels I'm looking to trade it at. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I can post exactly when I'm going in, live stream, trading courses, and all that good stuff. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below. Now let's get into Pancake. So Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange on the Binance network. The couple of reasons why we're so bullish on it is about the volume. When cryptocurrency, everything went parabolic, lots of new people came into cryptocurrency, and due to the fees of Pancakeswap compared to the high fees of Ethereum and Uniswap, it's a lot cheaper and easier to use. Most new people coming in, social media people, were using Pancakeswap. The volume went parabolic, and another reason is the rewards in Pancakeswap. I'll share with you how much money you can make staking Pancake. These APYs are amazing. I don't think they'll stay the same, so make use of it whilst they're there, because I believe the APYs are going to go down in the future. So those are a couple of reasons why I'm so bullish on Pancakeswap, and I'm just bullish in general on decentralized exchanges. With the regulations you're seeing on Binance and other centralized exchanges, I think decentralized exchanges are going to be the future. So if Pancakeswap, or is already one of the popular ones, can get more market share, this can be really big. Watch the previous video explaining to exactly why I'm bullish on it. So let's quickly review how to stake it as well. Again, I'm going to quickly review the steps. Watch the other video for full detail. The first thing you need to do is to download MetaMask, and once you've downloaded MetaMask, you have to convert the address from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, and all you have to do is click on custom RPC. You can download MetaMask as an add-on to Firefox, Chrome, whichever browser you use. You have to put these details on, so you're converting it from Ethereum network to Binance network. Copy this in, post it in there, change it to Binance network. Once you've done that, you withdraw, you buy some cake on Binance or your crypto exchange, you withdraw it to your MetaMask wallet. Please make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain, or you could lose your cake, and I don't want you to do that. And maybe if you're buying $10,000 worth of cake, try test it with a couple of $100, see if the transaction works, and then you can do a bigger transaction. A really quick tip. And once you've got your cake on the MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is go onto this website. Please make sure you go onto the official pancakeswap.finance website. You connect your wallet. It's one click. Once you've connected your wallet, I use auto cake, and this is auto compounding and staking cake, and you can see the APY. That's it. It's very simple, it's very simple to stake, and that's one of the reasons why I'm bullish on Pancakeswap exchange and cake. So then there's lots of pools available. I personally use auto cake, and you can go in there, click on it, and then you can start staking. That's how easy it is. So let's get to the fun bit now, and this video is mainly about the earnings you can look to get. So if you're investing just $1,000 and the price of Pancakeswap stays the same, you can expect to earn about $60 a month, which is not too bad, but it's still decent income. If you're holding stake anyway, why don't you stake it? If you're holding cake in your Binance wallet, why don't you transfer it here and get additional income for a extra residual income? So that's the reason for staking. Don't just get your money to work for you. That's what you can expect to earn if you're bullish on Pancakeswap and you think it doubles in price in the next year or so, you can expect to earn a lot more. Your monthly earning will be around 120. And if you're very bullish on Pancakeswap, which I think is still not very bullish, if you look at the use cases of Pancakeswap, and I'll do my price prediction, you can expect just from $1,000 you can expect to earn this much money, which is again ridiculous amount of money just for staking Pancake. If you have any questions, guys, please comment below and let me know. I'll try and help you guys out. And let's come to the main point of this video. So how much cake do you need to earn $100 a day? So if you want to do that, guys, what we need to see is you need about $10,000, and you want cake to be very bullish. If cake gets a 500% rise, which will take cake to around the $100 mark, which I think is a very realistic target for this year, especially if Bitcoin holds the bottom and you're invested $10,000 and you're auto compounding, you can expect to earn over $100 a day, around $3,500, which is over $100 a day. So that is an amazing return. If you are, and lots of people will be thinking, is it possible to earn that? But, if cake price goes up, which I believe it can, then this is a very, very good investment. The risk to staking cake is that the cake price drops. So, like we're predicting, if cake doubles, you make more money. If cake price drops and drops more than half, you could actually lose money. And that is a risk. I'll make another video. The fourth video of this series is going to talk about shorting it. So I personally short cake as well to protect my wealth. When cake is going down, I try to short it on Binance, because if cake goes down, I want to protect my wealth. And I'll make another video. Post this updates on cake. I talk about when I'm exiting my short. So I'll exit my shorts on a move above $14. So I'm not short at the moment. I'm long cake from $14, and it's actually been going up. It's gone up above 20%. So I'll make another fourth video. It's going to be how to short hedge your cake as well. So when cake is going down, you don't lose that much money. But if cake goes down, there is that risk in staking. But if you're holding cake, you believe in cake long term, why not stake it as well? And that 500% price move will take cake to a $100 mark. Cake, I think the next big resistance for cake is $20. I think I'm gonna enter some shorts there again. But if cake starts rejecting from there and breaking down, that could be bearish. But if cake breaks $20, I see cake heading towards $50 in the next few months. And if Bitcoin carries on breaking out, I see cake heading towards that level towards the end of the year. So that's my price prediction for cake. It's really important, we hold these support levels. If cake finds resistance at 20, start breaking down, we might not get to those levels. But again, we'll have to see how the price reacts, and then I'll keep you guys up to date on my more cake videos. So just to round up and answer the question of how to make $100 a day staking cake, you need about $10,000, and you stake it, you auto compound it on Pancakeswap, and if cake price goes up as well, goes to those levels I've shared, you could be earning around this much money. If you have a smaller account, you can still, and if the price doesn't go up that much, you can still expect to earn around $100 a month, which is still a very good amount just for doing nothing. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So in this video, I tried to explain to you how much money you can get. The first video explained what is Pancakeswap. I did my cake price prediction. Next video I shared with you how to stake cake. This video I shared with you the earnings. The last video of Pancake, the swap series, I'll talk about how to short hedge and make sure there's no risk. You're delta neutral. You don't care if the cake price goes up or down. You make sure your bank account goes up. So if you want that video, make sure you comment below and make that video next. So thank you very much. Before I end the video, guys, what is your predictions for Pancakeswap staking? If you have any questions, let us know. So thank you very much. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.